students. Last time we have discussed about speed and velocity. Now we will solve some problems. First question is distinguish between speed and velocity. So we know that speed is a scalar quantity, velocity is a vector quantity. Speed is the distance traveled by the object in a given interval of time. It does not have any direction. But the velocity is the displacement of an object in a given interval of time. It has a particular direction. Speed is equal to distance traveled upon time taken, and velocity is equal to displacement upon time taken. Speed can never be negative, it can be zero, but velocity of the object can be negative, positive as well as zero, because velocity equal to displacement of upon time, and displacement is a vector quantity. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be zero. So velocity can be zero, speed cannot be zero. As speed is equal to distance upon time, distance can be zero when object is at rest, but distance is always positive when object is in motion. So you have to write the differences between speed and velocity. Second is, under what condition is the magnitude of average velocity of an object is equal to average speed? So average speed is equal to total distance upon total time, and average velocity is equal to displacement upon total time taken. So when distance and displacement both becomes equal, then your average speed and average velocity will also be equal. Average speed is equal to distance upon time, and average velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So average speed is equal to average velocity when distance becomes equal to displacement, and distance becomes equal to displacement when both the objects move along a straight line. Next question, what does the odometer of an automobile measure? So odometer is fixed in the automobile. It measures the distance covered by an automobile. What does the path of an object look like when it is in uniform motion? So when the object covers equal distance in equal interval of time, the motion is said to be uniform. So the path will look like a straight line. Now next question, during an experiment, a signal from a spaceship reached the ground station in the 5 minutes. What was the distance of the spaceship from the ground station? The signal traveled at the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So this is your speed, and this is your time. So we know that distance is equal to speed into time. So Speed is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. 3 into 10 raised to power 8. देखो 3 into 10 is to power 8 and time is 5 minutes converted into second. 5 into 60 seconds. So multiply these, you will get the answer. Now see this problem. Usha swims in a 90-meter long pool. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other and back along the same straight path. Find the average speed and average velocity of the Usha. So length of the pool is 90 meter. She covers 180 meter in 1 minute by swimming from one end to the other and back along the same straight line from this end to this end, then again back. So total distance covered is 90 plus 90, 180 meters in 1 minute. Find the average speed. You know that average speed is equal to total distance covered to the total time taken. Total distance is 180, total time is 1 minute. So convert minute into second. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, you will get 3 meter per second. Now average velocity. Now average velocity is equal to displacement upon total time taken. And the Usha starts to swim from this point, move from this to this point, then again come back. So its displacement is 0. Displacement here is 0. So average velocity is equal to displacement upon time. So 0 upon 60 seconds, because time is 1 minute, converted into second. So answer is 0 meter per second. So velocity is 0 meter per second. Next is the odometer of a car reads 2000 km at the start of a trip and 2400 km at the end of the trip. If the trip took 8 hours, calculate the average speed of the car in km per hour and meter per second. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time. So total distance covered is 2400 minus 200, 400 km, and time is 8 hours. So average speed is equal to 400 upon 8, 50 km per second. So write the answers of these questions in your notebook and post in Google Classroom. Thank you.